What's going on? Jax here with a video on how to install 5 different custom features to your Yamaha vstar650. Now, these features include the windshield, a set of saddlebags, a Mustang seat, handle guards, and a sissy bar. These are some of the tools you will need to complete these tasks. Starting from a stock bike, the first feature we are going to start with is the Mustang seat. After removing the stock seat, you want to place down the Mustang seat to where the hole fits the knob in the back. Next, you want to place on the bolt and screw it down as tight as you can. For this, you will most likely need to use some sort of tightening tool. And here we have our first feature completely installed. The next feature we are going to be installing is the sissy bar. You want to start off by removing all the bolts and the chrome on the back fender. Once you have done so, you want to slide the sissy bar in over where the bolts were and line it up with the holes. Once you have lined up the sissy bar with the holes, you want to re-add the bolts. After tightening these down, you are done with the sissy bar. The next feature we're going to install is the set of saddlebags. First off, you want to take the saddlebag and set it to where the front of the lid is facing the inside of the bike. Next, you want to place it on the notch that is provided. Once you have it sitting on the notch, you want to look on the inside of the saddlebag and place the clip to where the bag does not fall off. And you want to repeat those steps on the opposite side. And now you are done with the saddlebags. Moving on to our next feature, we are going to install one of the handle guards. You want to start off by removing the mirror and inserting the handle guard in the slot where the mirror was. Then you want to place the mirror back on and tighten it. Make sure that you line them up correctly. We will come back to the other handle guard once we have the windshield on. Next, you want to install the windshield by placing it on the front of the bike. Just as before, you want to line the holes up. Next, you want to insert the bolts into the given slots. Take each of the bolts and tighten them as tight as you can get them. Now we are going to install the other handle guard. Just as before, you want to remove the mirror, place the handle guard on, place the mirror back on, and tighten them up. Then you want to line them up correctly. And with that, we have our fully modded Yamaha vstar650.